Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to make a delicious and comforting dish that's perfect for any occasion, mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is a classic comfort food that never goes out of style. It's a perfect dish for any occasion, from a cozy night into a family gathering. Let's get started. First, we need to cook our macaroni pasta. Boil some water and add the pasta. Cook it according to the package instructions, which is usually around 8-10 minutes. Once it's cooked, drain the water and set the pasta aside. Now, let's prepare the sauce. Melt some butter in a pan and add a splash of milk. Mix in some breadcrumbs and salt to taste. Stir everything together until it's well combined and the sauce is creamy. Finally, it's time to assemble our mac and cheese. Pour the cooked pasta into a baking dish and top it with the delicious sauce we just made. Bake it in the oven for about 15 minutes, or until the sauce is bubbly and the top is golden brown. And there you have it, a delicious and comforting mac and cheese dish that's perfect for any occasion. Enjoy! Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food tips. Until next time, happy cooking!